In this module, we are going to talk about liquidity of new age. According to Zygmunt Bauman, liquidity is a successor term for the postmodern, referring to contingency, uncertainty, the slipperiness of everyday life and its institutions and expectations. Unquoting. Liquidity has become an unavoidable part of the globalized world. The movement of people, things, information, and places, due in part to the increasing porosity of global barriers, because so much of the world has melted or is in the process of melting and has become liquefied. Globalization is increasingly characterized by great flows of increasingly liquid phenomena of all types, including people, objects, information, decisions, places, and so on. So, if somebody is understanding liquidity only in the form of cash flow, maybe. But here in the age of globalization, they are talking about the flow of information, flow of people, goods, services, institutions, name anything which is going to interact with the global village in any form that is considered liquefied. Look at this liquidity in of new age, that how time, money, people, everything is integrating with each other for a new world. Liquidity, the increasing ease of movement of people, things, information, and places in the global age. Liquid phenomena fix neither space nor time. That which is liquid is, by definition, opposed to any kind of fixity, be it spatial or temporal. As we all know, that liquid cannot be fixed. It always makes its place when it's flowing. So, in the same way, in the age of globalization, rather it is information, it is money, cash, technology, institutions, people, goods, services, whatever, they are flowing and they are making their spaces as per the given circumstances or what is the prevailing environment is there in that place or around those people or in any given time. Everything is flowing. No, nothing is going to go in that static form that it would consider itself that it can stay and remain stick to any uh, specific location or position for a longer time. No, not at all. It has to move away. Otherwise, other preceding forces or following forces would definitely replace that thing, cash, people, goods, services, when they are going to give a push to that static thing or the thing that is going to be hurdle in their way. Ideas, images, and information flow everywhere through increased interpersonal contacts and social media. Flow of migrants in different regions of the world. Flow of food, KFC, and McDonald's in different countries. So, if you could see, this is what I was saying in my previous slide, that everything is flowing, everything is making its way all over the world. They are not considering that McDonald is only possible now in America. No, it's in China, it's in Japan, which are culturally highly rich countries. but still they are having McDonald's, and not only in Japan but also in China. Migration of species, spread of diseases without borders, globalization of social institutions, globalization of civil society, and globalization of international institutions. Owing to this increased interconnectedness and happenings or occurrences which are going in the new age, they are giving way to that liquidity of new age.